guys, this is Siddhi from Best of Beauty. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you all my top 6 favorite foundations which are perfect to give you like that no makeup look. These foundations are extremely lightweight on your skin and they don't look cakey whatsoever. So they just make your skin look really nice and luminous and just evens out your skin tone as well. So that's why I love these foundations. So if you want to see which are my top 6 favorite foundations, then please keep on watching. So as you guys know that I'm currently pursuing my master's degree in Milan and this is the last semester and I have a big project to do. So for the project, the topic that I've chosen is actually to study the makeup industry in India, and that's the reason I need you guys to help me out. So to understand the Indian cosmetic market better, I'm actually conducting a survey and I need you guys for it. So what you have to do is, just in the description box below there is a link to the Google form and you just have to click on it and then you will be redirected to the Google form. You just have to answer a bunch of simple questions related to makeup in that particular Google form. It's really easy and it'll just take you 5 minutes maximum. So it will be really good if you help me out. So it's a humble request, just please click on that link and fill up the survey for me. It will really mean a lot. And thank you so much for your help. In no particular order, the first one that I'm going to share with you all is this L'Oreal Magic Nude Liquid Powder Foundation, and this is a base skin perfecting makeup and this also has SPF 18 in it, and this is what that foundation looks like. This foundation is actually a liquid foundation and once you shake it and you apply it on your face, it turns into a powder, and I just love the finish of this foundation that's there. This is a really affordable foundation by L'Oreal and I'm actually going to list the prices on the screen and in the description box as well so you all can check it out for yourselves. This is an extremely lightweight foundation and it looks really nice on your skin as well, and I love the finish of this and that's why I highly recommend getting this as well. But I think that this has been discontinued if I'm not wrong, but if you can still find it then definitely pick this one up. I almost forgot to mention the shade I am in this L'Oreal Liquid Powder Foundation, and I am in the shade 328 Sun Beige, and mostly in the L'Oreal foundations I am the shade Sun Beige, and it just blends with my skin really well and it's a perfect match for my skin tone as well. Moving on, the second foundation which I really like is this Chamor Orosa Skin Fusion Foundation, and I'm in this shade 102 Natural Ivory or Ivory Natural, and this is what that one looks like. Again, this is really light on your skin and this is not going to look cakey whatsoever. I'm just actually going to show you guys how this looks like on my skin. So this is what it looks like. As you can see, it's really nice and creamy. And this has a drop applicator and then you just have to blend it, and as you can see it's really lightweight and it blends with your skin like nothing else, so it's really nice and smooth and the finish on this foundation is really nice and that's why I highly recommend getting this one. The third foundation that I really like is the Bourjois Radiance Reveal Healthy Mix Healthy Glow and Flawless Complexion Foundation, and this is meant to give you hydrated and luminous skin, and this is what that one looks like. I'm in the shade Light Bronze number 56 I think, and this is one of my favorite foundations to use. Again, you can build this foundation up. It's like light to medium coverage and it again gives a nice coverage to your skin without looking too much, and it definitely adds a nice radiance as well. That's the reason I love this one. I'm actually just going to apply some on my hand and show you guys the finish of this foundation as well, and this has a pump applicator which is really easy to use. So this is what it looks like. Okay, I've just applied like the tiniest amount and then you blend it like this. As you can see, it's really nice, and again this blends with your skin really well, and the finish also is really pretty. So that's the reason I love this one. Moving on to another favorite of mine, which is the MAC Studio Face and Body Foundation, and this is what that one looks like. I have been wanting this foundation for a really long time because I had seen a lot of reviews and people say that this is a really nice lightweight foundation, and I am that sort of a person who really likes that natural looking skin sort of a makeup look. So that's the reason I'm always looking for a foundation which is going to give me like light coverage, and I don't like that cakey look. I don't like just applying full coverage foundations because it just looks very cakey after a point and it's not going to look natural as well. So that's why I love these lightweight foundations, and that's why I love doing those no makeup tutorials as well, because I think I'm really good at that, rather than applying like a bunch of makeup on your face every single day, and that is just not me. So I did finally get this, and this is like a water based foundation, so it's extremely lightweight. Trust me, this is almost like wearing like your BB cream or something of that sort. So if you want, then you can also use this on a day-to-day basis. Obviously I do not recommend using a foundation every single day, but again, I'm just going to show you the finish of this foundation as well. So I'm just putting a drop of it on my hand, and again, if you are getting matte foundations, then you're definitely going to find a lot of shades for yourself as well, because they are a professional makeup brand. So this is what it looks like, and as you can see, it's almost like water. So this is definitely not going to look cakey whatsoever on your skin, and it blends like seamlessly. So that's why I really like this one. As you can see, it almost looks like I did not apply anything on my hand. So as you can see, this just evened out my skin tone, and it still looks really natural. But if you are someone who has spots on their face, or you know, you want a little bit of coverage, this one is not gonna be for you, because this is extremely lightweight. You can definitely try the Bourjois Healthy Mix foundation, because that looks natural on your skin yet providing a coverage. So that's why I really like that one. If you guys notice that there's a slight difference in the lighting, that is because I was using this small light and it suddenly ran out of battery, so I have to just use my normal ring light. So really sorry that the lighting just suddenly changed. I really hope this works, but we have to move on. And the next one is by L'Oreal, and this is the L'Oreal 24-Hour Infallible Pro Glow Foundation, and this is what that one looks like. This one is another favorite of mine, and unfortunately this has not been launched in India yet, which is really sad, because they should definitely launch this. I think they might eventually, but this is like that foundation which gives you a really nice dewy finish yet providing coverage as well. This foundation has SPF of 15 in it, and it gives a radiant finish, and this is meant for normal to dry skin, and this is a hydrating foundation. So if you are someone who has oily or combination skin, do not use this, because you're gonna get shiny throughout the day. Now I have combination skin, I know, but I still like using dewy finish foundations. I just set my T-zone area and that's it. The texture of this foundation is really lightweight, and it is very similar to the Bourjois Healthy Mix foundation that I showed you guys. But again, this one is still lightweight, as it's more watery as compared to the Bourjois one. And that's why I think that this will provide you a bit of coverage without looking too much. I'm just going to show you the finish of this foundation. So I'm just taking some of it on my hand. Okay, you need a little bit of this product, and as you can see, it suits my skin tone as well. And as you can see, when I'm blending it, it provides a bit of coverage, but it still looks really nice and natural on my skin. In the L'Oreal one, I am again in the shade Sun Beige, whereas in the MAC Face and Body one, I am in the shade C3. Last but definitely not the least, we have the Estee Lauder Double Wear Nude Cushion Stick Radiant Makeup, and this is what it looks like. This is one of my favorite foundations to use, and this again gives a nice radiant finish to your skin, and this is extremely lightweight. And in this Estee Lauder one, I'm in the shade 3W1 Tawny, and I really like the packaging on this Estee Lauder foundation. So as you can see, this is what it looks like, and then you open this up, and then you have this sponge tip applicator, and then you twist this. As you can see, the product came right outside, and you can actually twist this product back inside as well. So that's why I really like this, and I'm just going to show you guys the finish of this foundation. So this is what it looks like, and again, here it goes. So this is going to provide you coverage, but it's going to be like a nice radiance finish. So I really like this one. So those were my top 6 favorite foundations, which will give you a nice radiant finish, and they are not going to look cakey whatsoever. I hope you guys liked this interesting video, and if you did, then please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends as well. Also, if you haven't followed me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter and Snapchat as well, make sure you do that. As you can see on the screen, these are handles to my social media, so please do that. And last but definitely not the least, make sure to hit the subscribe button right now. It will really mean a lot to me, and I will see you in the next one. Love you.